Now, on the third option, Christian, we wanted to talk about a similar residency, which is a general practice residency, but that is based off an hospital setting. So you're a resident of a hospital and you go through rotations in specialties and you're allowed to do more major procedures. Can we elaborate a little bit more on that?
Yeah, true. So basically, it's also a general dentistry, residency, but it's a little bit different compared to an AEGD. A GPR is a hospital-based, residency. So you are rotating through medical specialties most of the time. So you are dealing with internal medicine, emergency care, oncology. So and you're exposed to time in the operating room as well. You're dealing with medically compromised patients too. So basically, it's a different exposure compared to an AEGD residency, which is more dental clinic oriented, I would say so, but it creates the same benefits towards the requirements for you to become eligible for your exams and your dental license in some of the states. But it's a great option too. It usually pays salary as well. It's really rare that we charge tuition. I'm not really aware if there's any program charging tuition for a GPR, but they pay you, and they usually pay you really well because in a hospital setting they usually have to match what a physician's residency, so a medical residency would pay. They have to match to what a dental residency would get as well. So they usually offer pretty good salaries too. I've heard of some of the salaries being like $50,000 or $60,000 a year for those type of residencies. And you get great exposure, for people that like surgery, the people that like more the medical aspect of dentistry is a great option. And some of the state, again, we allow you to do 1 year of that residency, sometimes two, and you'll become eligible to, get a license in that state, after you go through, of course, the national boards exams and all that. But it's a great option too. It's a cheap option. We have all the lists of the programs that will take a foreign trained dentist, all the programs that will actually pay you a salary to go through that program. And of course, how to get through the application process, how to, deal with interviews, recommendation letters, personal statements, and all of that. Everything else, everything is in our platform very well digested for you too.